He's a really big one. Really tiny big one. He's really big. He's really strong. Hey, wait a minute. Where are you, big fishy? Big fishy! Come on, big fishy. You never know what I can do. Whoa! Dad, help me right now.
You can do it, Kai.
He's a giant fish. Eat fish for breakfast is not a good idea. There I go. I get that fishy now down. I really, 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 a really big fish. I never can get.
Wow. Kai, you did a great job.
I caught a giant fishy fish.
That's a nice fish here. All right.
It's a giant fish.
Whoa.
Isn't it a bit? Whoa! I can't even stand the body.
Yeah.
I can't even stand the body.
Wow. Good job, boy. Awesome. Wow.